requirement analysis, design, deployment, testing, and maintenance. In this project, we are using a waterfall model as a project development methodology. This is our waterfall model. Requirement analysis. The requirement analysis phase of the study that establishes the component for building the project, including the hardware requirement and other necessary component that is being described in Table 1. This is our Table 1. Device name, Arduino Uno. Description, the microcontroller that assigns all electronic device use. Second is GSM module, a device that is used to send notification if the garbage bin is full. Third, laser sensor, a device used for detecting the level of the garbage waste. Fourth, NR424L01 is a device used for wireless sensor network for transmitting and receiving the data. Fifth, ultrasonic sensor, a sensor that is used to detect an object to assign the motor when to open the garbage bin. And last one is servo motor, a motor that is used to pull the garbage bin to open. Design. The theoretical framework of the study is part of the designing phase of the approach which establishes the expectation of hardware functionality. In this design phase, we have made a diagram of our smart bin project and few examples of smart bin project. So this is our diagram of the smart bin, which we include all the components in it. And this is the example of the smart bin we have found in the internet that someone already done, but without the server.
For the testing proposal, to find any error present in the code, ensure the software mechanisms, internal framework object, and component, uncover an application vulnerability. Testing method. Make an experiment on the ultrasonic sensor, GSM model, router, laser sensor, servo motor, transmitter, and receiver to see if it works. Ultra sensor. Measure the distance to an object using sound wave. Assign the motor for the garbage bin door automatic open. Detect the level of the garbage and pass it to the window from monitoring system. Second one, GSM model, send a SMS notification to the administrator if the garbage bin is full and ready to dispose. Third one, NRF24L01, device that join multiply computer network together is for wire or wireless. The fourth, laser sensor, a device used for detecting the level of the garbage waste when it's full. And the servo motor. The servo motor will move if it gets the signal from the ultrasonic sensor. For the purpose of testing method is used to make sure our components that above are functioning and working. First one, functionality. Portability, maintainability, efficiency, usability, reliability. For the development, according to one research entitled Waste Bin Monitoring System using Integrated Technology, the opening of the dustbin will automatically open with the use of a servo motor and an ultrasonic sensor. The result of the study illustrates that the developed smart bin was with the use of a servo motor which pulled the bin after detecting the hand of the user. The research suggestion. Research preferred to use the sensor in detecting people because of its low cost. The data was processed again by the Arduino microcontroller, which commands the sensor and motor to do the task.
Next is maintenance. This project can contribute and provide information to different agencies that may apply to have advancement and improvement to a various process in terms of waste disposal. Lastly, it is recommended if there were a sensor that can detect 3 types of material, which is paper, metal, and plastic, so we can make a proper 3R. And the conclusion is, to encourage people to always take care of the environment so that we all can live in healthy environment.
So this is our budget. All of it is 150 ringgit 20 cents. And this is our Gantt chart. And this is our references. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okey, kita buka untuk Q&A session. Dipersilakan panel dan juga supervisor untuk mengemukakan soalan.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi, sir.
Okay, by the way, thank you. Okay, congratulations kerana anda telah berjaya menghasilkan satu proposal defense, proposal untuk anda punya final year project. Okay, so pertama mungkin saya akan go through one by one.
Okay.
Bila saya melihat tajuk kalian, saya beri kategorian sebagai kategori sebagai productivity ataupun marketability. Okay, so dan saya sangat percaya sebab BIN project ini telah banyak dilakukan oleh pelajar-pelajar bukan hanya saja di politeknik, malah di universiti ataupun di sekolah-sekolah yang lain. Cuma konsep yang mereka apply mungkin berbeza, komponen yang mereka gunakan mungkin berbeza, apa yang mereka guna mungkin berbeza. Okay, so itu adalah tajuk yang kamu telah pilih. Basically tajuk kamu bagi saya, secara pandangan saya adalah level productivity ataupun marketability hari ini. Sebab kita akan lihat terms of cost, ada kaitan global ataupun tidak. Okay, now try to go to your introduction. Can I see your introduction slide? Okay, how to go to your introduction slide? Can I control this?
Siapa punya? Yap Zoyin. Awak saja yang boleh kontrol.
Boleh control the slide?
Di introduction.
Yeah, introduction.
Okay. Sorry, lain bilang lagi.
Oh, it's okay, never mind. Okay, setelah saya bacakan sini, okay, very nice. Sebab kamu kaitkan dengan isu terkini yaitu COVID-19 pandemic. So kami bila saya lihat ke sini adalah kamu cuba naik implement the word of 3R. Okay, 3R dalam COVID-19 pandemic. So because 3R itu adalah suatu activity, but I do not know which part of that related to COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, because of in which area yang dia related dengan COVID-19 pandemic. So mungkin because kalau tengok di introduction this one, you are focusing more to recycling activities dan juga encouraging public to implement the habit of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay, so try to think dalam 3R itu which part yang dia related dengan COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, in terms of safety, in terms of hygiene. See, so you have to relate with that because you punya tajuk, because you sentuh pasal COVID-19, but there's no relation dalam you punya introduction. So you have to very clear the sana because you cerita pasal because 3R is all about recycling. So in which area it talks related to COVID-19 pandemic, okay? So itu adalah satu komen saya untuk yang bagian information kamu. So saya sebagai apa kita panggilnya sebagai panel, saya lihat ke sana ada dua elemen involved. Pertama is something related to COVID-19 pandemic, and the other one is 3R. Okay. Now go to your problem statement. Okay, kalau dekat problem statement sini, okay, you still focusing on your 3R, okay, 3R, but I truly believe there's one thing yang mungkin berkaitan tentang pandemic, mungkin dekat bahagian point number 3, which is called dustbin is always dirty, smell overflow. So you not avoid because of dustbin, everyone can access. So you not avoid daripada direct contact dan sebagainya. So di sana saya nampak there is an issue about related to your COVID-19 pandemic. Tetapi not that strong because you tak sentuh lagi, right? So I'm trying to get what is your intention sebenarnya to your project. Is it because of your focus into COVID-19? You're focusing on your development and the second activity. So I have to get the relation between these two. Okay? What are we anjing? Okay, you're right. Okay, can we just go back?
Siapa punya rumah ada anjing ya? Tutup speaker lah, dengar dulu. Dengar cik nanti komen dulu. Tutup mic.
Okay.
Mic sahaja tutup. Jangan you tutup apa yang you
Tutup mic.
present. Mic sahaja you tutup.
Tutup mic.
Mic-nya set dah.
Rumah siapa? Rumah siapa?
Ya.
Ya.
Just untuk present saja. So aku pun
Okay.
Tutup mic saja, you boleh dengar.
Mic.
You ada file tu?
aku sedang nak ya, Abang. Siapa? Aku
Guna handphone.
Oh, great.
Okay, dah. Okay, sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, balik kepada problem statement tadi ya.
Okay.
Okay, sebab saya nak bantu kamu untuk kasih clearkan kamu punya flow of you punya project. Because kenapa saya katakan begini? Saya ada buat sedikit catatan ke sini di mana saya tak nampak ada perkaitan di antara you punya problem statement dengan you punya objektif. Okay, so you have to look into your objective. Okay, after this kita tengok. Okay, problem statement awal yang pertama, you talking about, can you go problem statement balik? Go back to your problem statement dulu.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next slide. Okay, very good. Okay, number one, di atas sana, the department in charge doesn't know the bin is full. Okay, di atas sana it talks about something related to notification. Okay, how to notify you punya problem into those who are in charge on this issue. Okay, so you have to clarify ke sana who are they. Adakah mereka the cleaner or who else? Bagian unit pelanggaraan kah? So you have to, this is how I clarify you punya content. So the department is in charge doesn't know. So okay, betul. We do not know who are they. So issue kamu di sana that can be improved is notification with the right person. Second point, you talk about awareness. About the 3R is still low. Okay, awareness. When we talk about awareness, I still thinking in what area called awareness ke sini. What is the problem? What is the issue? If you cakap pasal low, it's too general. So you have to clarify ke sana sebab nanti kita akan tengok you punya objektif, because I do not know where is dia punya relation antara awareness dengan you punya objektif. Okay, then goes to number 3. Okay, number 3 kamu, let me check. Is it number 3? The COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, tidak ada number. Okay, never mind. So number 3 kata the COVID-19 pandemic worried the peoples. Okay, you have to make it. You have to make it like in one issue. This pandemic make people worry in one issue. So you have to very direct sana. Okay, maybe you can give an example of those who are doing the cleaning, the cleaner, they are going to be direct contact with the rubbish. They are direct contact to the facilities that access to your dustbin. So you have to be in that area. So dia tidak ada precaution ke sana. So how to avoid that? So because kita kena tengok in which area that you punya project, it helps to prevent people from have direct contact with COVID-19 pandemic. So that's your point, huh? So your problem number one is there's no one in charge. They do not know how to know that bin is full. Number two, the awareness still low. You kata sana. Number three, you punya pandemic worried people. That's your three problem statement, okay? Okay, now go to your next slide, objective. Okay, I am trying to relate dengan you punya problem statement number one with your objective number one. So, objective number one talks about the department do not know who's in charge and how to know that is full. But looking at your point number one is called showing the benefits of 3RS. Is there any relation?
No.
Oh,
There's no relation at all.
Actually, yang ni
No.
patutnya tapi salah letak.
Okay, so the second one, you akan naik pergi ke number one. Okay, so now this showing the benefit are, dia akan berkaitan dengan point number two, betul? The awareness. Okay, so bila kita baca ke sini, okay, when I just gone through you punya point ke sini, okay, in which area in your project yang betul-betul menunjukkan awareness? How? That's my question. My question is how? Okay, because of kenapa kalau kamu pergi ke politeknik ini kan, kamu akan nampak 3 bin, right? Ada 3 jenis tong sampah, warna coklat, warna biru, dan warna hijau.
orange.
Warna orange, yes, that's true. So semua kan ada label kan, but why students still not using it? Why is not using it? Kenapa tidak digunakan sepenuhnya? So the awareness sana mungkin is not the word law. You kena cari perkataan yang sesuai selain daripada law. You have to change the word law. So awareness tu macam seolah-olah tidak diambil berat. You know that part. Tidak diambil ketahuan. Ataupun enda tak enda. You know like that. That's the called awareness. So how to make this thing be benefit? So daripada you punya system yang you can buat, it makes more interesting because kamu involvekan sensor dan sebagainya. So that's why you punya project is like, you know, you have to make people love your punya product. Baru you punya product awareness become increasing. If your product is not interesting, then there's no awareness at all. Walaupun kita dah buat tingkat sampah dekat politeknik pun, feel like macam sama dengan tong sampah warna hijau. So they must have something fun there. Okay. So point number one is related to your awareness. That's good. Okay. Point number two. Next slide. Okay. Next slide. Identification. Okay. This is very nice. Okay. Very nice about kamu hantar notification, but bear in your mind to whom are going to this notification. This is another contribution kamu berikan kepada Politeknik Sarawak. In other way means, because when we talk about people in charge, orang pun ada fikiran, orang pun ada fokus tempat lain, you know. But when we have this notification, you're helping them to shorten their time. So become more easier, more managing. So this number two is very nice. Okay. So bila saya tengok you punya methodology tadi, you guna Raspberry Pi and all the sensor part, that's good. You related to your dissertation, but I do believe there's one element you masukkan yaitu web page. Betul kan?
Okay.
Ya, dalam diagram kamu ada web page. So I truly believe that web page is helping in notification.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. So point number two is related to you punya number one. Okay, number three. Can I see your next slide? Okay. Number three is all about your problem statement is talk about COVID pandemic worried people. Okay, then it's number three, using sensor to auto open. Wonderful, that's good. This is how you avoid them to have direct contact dengan the bin. Okay, but this one, okay, you see when we talk about, because they had, okay, say when we talk about user, right? Dia ada berapa jenis user? We have two types of users here. Number one, student and lecturers who are going to use that bin to throw their rubbish. That's number one. Number two, those people who are going to collect all the rubbish from that bin to another place. Okay, so of course awareness happen. Di sini ada awareness. But how about those yang in charge itu, yang ambil bin itu pergi ke satu tempat? So Itu part we don't talk about that. The most important is you sudah guna sensor to open you punya lid, and it helps untuk tidak direct contact dengan bin itu. Okay? So yeah, that's good. So you punya objective number 3 is already answered. You punya apa? Cuma you punya explanation please. The point number 3, try to relate it dengan COVID-19 pandemic. Because kenapa itu adalah current issue. It helps you bila you present di peringkat, let's say di peringkat politeknik, let's say kamu terpilih untuk present di peringkat poli, there's a point, But I don't know how you explain that COVID-19 pandemic. So you punya problem statement and you punya objective should be kalau tengok dekat sini dengan knowledge yang kamu ada, that's good, that's better. Cuma you ubahkan dekat susunan atau bertolak, because this one is very important. Okay. Next you punya problem statement and you punya objective. Okay, then move back to you punya literature review. Okay, this one is okay. Saya dah rasa ini. Okay, this one literature review saya minta maaf, bukan saya kata saya tak setuju, is tidak, dia kurang tepat ke sini. Because one of your friend tadi bila dia present, dia kata dia ada tulis satu gambar kan, rubbish bin yang pernah dibuat orang. Right? Tetapi tidak ada website, there's no server, right? Okay. You see, why you don't put any project did by any students all over the world related to your project? Can you get that? Yeah, because why? I do not know in your project. This is dalam literature review. What it means by literature review? A project, a research done by a researcher which is related to your project. Okay. In other words, with that review, you are going to enhance, you are going to upgrade your project to become better or to become promised. Itu fungsi literature review. Because you are talking about bin, but here you're talking about door, you're talking about food, you're talking about car. Tiga-tiga ini, there's nothing related to your 3R, recycle, reuse, and so on. Dia tidak ada kaitan ke sana. So you don't have a literature review, you have to relate it dengan your project. So I truly believe ada researchers sudah buat ini smart bin, but in different concept, in different way. So try to find that at least 3 of them, you tengok macam mana mereka implement smart bin, and you compare with yours. Kalau tidak ada similarity, meaning to say you are doing here called kita panggil novelty, keaslian, then you ada contribution, then what else have written here? You ada contribution and you ada enhancement of your project. That's very important. So I'm sorry because I know you punya literature review, you rujuk kepada perkataan smart. You're not referring to your punya issue, which is the bin. So I'm sorry to say, I'm not really agree with literature review because dia tidak ada kaitan. Tidak ada kaitan dengan apa you want. So it's like make me not interesting to read because I want to see. Dalam literature review, I want to see who else have done this project and what in which part yang you punya project is sounds enhancement, become better, become contribution to the community. Because when we talk about novelty maksudnya keaslian. When we talk about keaslian, jangan kita hanya fikir the big community. Don't. We just talk about PKS. It's already more than enough. Macam kamu sekarang, kamu lihat kepada Politeknik Sarawak, which is very good. You're talking about Politeknik Sarawak. So your contribution is you're focusing in Politeknik Sarawak. So your contribution is there. So it's better. It's very nice. So jangan buat skop besar, kecil. This is very kecil, very nice. So cuba tengok. So try to find literature review kamu yang berkaitan dengan smart bin, okay? Dan cuba tengok bagaimana mereka implement. Dan I truly believe bukan semua orang guna Raspberry Pi or even Arduino. Some of them akan guna sensor with web page without any Arduino, you know. So try to find it supaya kamu tidak lost track. So bila kamu you know one thing, bila you dapat literature review yang berkaitan dengan you punya project, you are so confident to do you punya project. Why? People have did this, but we are going to do this. But this is your contribution. Always remember, your contribution is always come novelty. In which area? Kalau orang tanya kamu, saya sudah banyak tengok smart ini. Di mana bagian kamu telah buat? Imagine you cannot say anything. Then you cakap, no, I copy paste from this group. I copy paste from the other group. So which part you do? You understand?
Yes.
Sanjay,
Yes.
actually literature review on this part already ada.
Okay.
Refer to that one yang you tunjuk
Yeah.
cuba you refer balik. Okay, actually banyak projek. Sebab tu saya mention dekat tu LR, you tengok balik fokus pada BIN ni.
Okay.
Tapi apa yang diorang buat ni, diorang based on literature review yang diorang ambil ni memang tak tepat, based on diorang nak ambil part of it. Contohnya parking, sepatutnya you explain parking, you ambil part, which part? Open dia that part, how the system operate. That's why sepatutnya you explain your literature review yang sebelum ni yang orang nak buat. Okay, contohnya smart food based on, let's say based on apa dia, distance. Okay, you pijak, so dustbin tu akan buka dan sebagainya. So memang totally silap dia punya literature review. Open door lock, cuma diorang tak faham, diorang ambil part of it untuk implement ini diorang punya projek.
Okay.
Okey, satu lagi, betul saya setuju dengan Cik Sanjay yang first tadi, pandemic COVID ni dia adalah based on your project ni adalah extra features saja. Extra features di mana dustbin buka sendiri dan sebagainya. Okay, to avoid daripada persetubuhan dan sebagainya. Saya memang setuju. Okay, so tetapi you explain tadi seolah-olah pandemik ni adalah benda yang utama. Bila you explain tadi pandemik COVID adalah benda yang utama. Bukan. Saya setuju dengan Cik Sanjay, dia lebih kepada features yang ada saja. So lebih baik contohnya actually sepatutnya explain apa yang you nak buat. Apa yang you nak buat. Okey, contohnya send notification. Send notification kepada siapa? Pekerja, cleaner, poli ke, let's say kalau penuh ada WhatsApp dekat diorang ke, so diorang boleh pergi ambil dan sebagainya, daripada diorang spend time masa yang panjang untuk pergi collect dan sebagainya. Okey, perkara yang kedua apa dia, 3R. Okey, you come out, kita nak awareness. Contohnya bila saya buang kertas dalam dustbin, okey, saya boleh collect point contohnya. Okey, dalam dustbin tu detect, contohnya Syarafi, Syarafi ada buang tin. Okey, so ada database. Daripada situ kita ada database. Okey, contohnya saya buang 10 tin, dapat satu air tinta dan sebagainya. Yang itu akan membuatkan para pelajar, okey, para pelajar ke staff pun, daripada kita buang saja, kita kumpul, kita dapat reward. Itu salah satu lah. Sebab itu apa yang you cakap ni lebih kepada presentation, you tengok orang punya. Sepatutnya you explain apa yang you nak buat. Okay? So dalam literature review ni totally memang salah, tetapi you ambil part of it untuk masuk dalam your
Okay, sir.
memang betul. Cik Sanjay cakap memang betul. So you cakap, sekarang ni sebab pandemik COVID, you pun cerita tentang, tapi dia adalah extra features dalam you punya project.
Better kita direct keadaan.
Okay.
Saya pun cik mahu lah timbul spekulasi yang buruk-buruk kat situ.
Okey, saya bagi ke Cik Sandy.
Sir.
Thank you, Encik Sharafi. Okay, saya pun dapat poin daripada Encik Sharafi. Iaitu poin yang terakhir dari katakan tadi kan. Okay, you see, when we talk about awareness night, macam mana kita nak buat benda itu interesting? Dan saya tak sangka Encik Sharafi boleh fikirkan di mana. Bila seseorang itu buang tinta dalam api, dia ada collecting data. So, dia dapat reward ke, mungkin politik dia dapat reward ke, I don't know. Because why? Kita menggalakkan pelajar untuk berdisiplin membuang sampah ke tempat yang betul.
Better kita masuk.
Setengah orang makan kerepok, dia plastik tu dia buang kan, dekat tepi-tepi parit kan. See? So now we are teaching them untuk dapat reward. Mana you buang dapat sampah, you will get reward. Oh, very good. Idea Encik Sharafi yang the last one is very nice. Very nice. So bukan sensor kat luar saja, tapi sensor ke dalam pun ada.
That's why 3R kita tak nak orang pakai.
Yeah.
But nothing. Bagus saya buang saja, campur semua plastik apa tak. Sebab kita tak dapat apa-apa. So let's say you come up dan ada sistem buang tin, dapat itin dan sebagainya. Ini kita dapat satu, kita jaga environment, dan waktu yang sama barang-barang ini actually berharga. Benda-benda ni boleh recycle dan ada orang nak beli. Kertas, surat khabar lama orang cari. So kita dah ada sorting. Automatically awareness ni okey, macam terutama pelajar-pelajar tadika. Kumpul tin dapat something, kumpul kertas dapat something. Tapi how you going to bagi dia orang reward? You have to think. Okay?
Right, sir.
Wow. Thank you Encik Sharafi. Saya rasa you can do something enhancement dekat database tadi. Because kamu ada buat web page. Okay? I can say I truly agree kalau kamu dapat memikirkan yang apa yang Encik Sharafi sediakan cakap tadi. Ya, betul juga. Tiada guna kita ada recycle dekat office di Politeknik, but no one is using it. So why not we make it interesting, more fun? Okay? So saya rasa you have to think about that, which is very nice. Okay, kembali kepada ini, di review kamu just try to get related content tentang you punya project. Okay? It's okay, never mind. I understand kamu guna perkataan smart itu untuk masukkan dalam meter sendiri. I can read your mind. Okay, that's it. Kalau saya tengok dekat sini, then I can say, okay, this is based on my review. Saya ada tulis kat sini iaitu you punya contribution adalah di bahagian webpage kamu. Okay, that's the part which is saya rasa going to be another challenging part. Sebab macam mana you can recycle bin, smart bin connected dengan webpage, and webpage are going to connected dengan those yang in charge. Dan penambahan function lagi iaitu tentang reward, like the students bila dia buang, then they will capture data, because everyone want data. Okay, so that's it from me. Wonderful.
Okey, ada lagi tak Encik Sharafi, Cik Sanjay?
Tak ada. Cuma saya nampak lah sebab isu 3R ni, yalah, kalau you dapat develop ni satu benda yang boleh marketable lah. Saya nampak benda yang baik. Bukan untuk environment. Kita fokus pada environment.
Okay.
So kalau kita dapat link dengan yang jual surat khabar lama, lagilah dia suka. Penuh dapat pergi ambil dengan location tadi.
Yes, betul.
Kan? So you don't fikir pelajar ni dia, kalau saya tengok lah, kalau orang lain buat pandemik juga dia nak buat. Pada office dia adalah extra features kan.
Pandemik pakai detol.
Okay.
Okay.
Okey, itu sahaja untuk kali ini. Terima kasih kepada panel anda iaitu Encik Sanjay Charles Albert dan juga penyedia anda Encik Syarafi Muhammad Yusof. So, minta kerjasama anda lah untuk take note apa yang telah dimaklumkan, idea yang telah dibentangkan, okey? Supaya kita dapat tengok hasil dia pada demonstration 1 nanti, di mana sepatutnya pada masa itu projek itu telah siap sebanyak 50% sekurang-kurangnya. So, nanti akan dilihat semulalah oleh panel anda, Encik Sanjay dan juga penyedia anda, Encik Syafi pada masa itu. Jika tiada apa-apa, kita berhenti setakat ini. Terima kasih dan selamat maju jaya lah. Itu saja untuk kali ini.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Meetingnya boleh di meeting. Okey.
Cuma satu lah. Saya nampak Aisyah, Puan Aisyah.
Oh,
Saya nampak Puan ni dia sampel dia lebih kurang sama je slide-slide dengan pelajar grup lain.
Betul.
Dia nak kamu kalau boleh lah, tak perlulah panjang-panjang. Kamu fokus apa kita nak selesaikan masalah apa. So we come out dengan apa. Okay. Lepas tu we go for literature review yang macam mana yang related So tak perlulah. Saya tengok lah dia orang ni refer kepada yang first group dan sebagainya. So dia orang pun panjang cerita.
Sepatutnya saya dah
fokus dia apa yang dia nak buat.
Dalam sistem tu kan saya dah minta you tengok rubrik tentang apa yang you perlu ceritakan. Actually dalam you punya slide you just letak point by point saja. Tak perlu nak cerita panjang-panjang. You ringkaskan semua. Tak perlu exactly same like what you dah buat dalam you punya proposal report. Proposal report is proposal report. Apa yang you present is your apa yang you present. Proposal report tu you punya panel dengan penilai sudah tengok sebab you dah upload dalam link tu kan. Untuk slide presentation you just simply describe aja, explain aja, itu saja. Tak perlu
explain apa yang you nak buat. Next time saya dah komen berapa kali dah.
Next time jangan
Explain
buat
apa
lagi.
yang kita nak buat.
Kalau next time dia buat lagi, kita left beramai-ramai.
Straight to the point je. Yang flow apa dia, yang apa waterfall semua tu lah. Itu teori part dia.
Okey, itu sahaja.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Bye.
Bye.